Were you able to fish one out?
No, I think I...
Yeah, yeah, you got it. You got it on the tip.
That's
Extra
it?
gel. Yeah. Over the past 3 weeks, we have been able to give students an overview into tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. What we did the first week, they had a chance to take stem cells from a patient, grow them up in the lab, passage them, and then in the second week, we would put those cells into hydrogels, start the differentiation process, and then here on the third day, they had the opportunity to see whether those stem cells differentiated. We tested a few different medias and have a chance to do some screening and be able to find the optimal conditions to differentiate stem cells for different applications. That looks good. There you go.
It was important for Obatala to partner with STEM NOLA and with CellSpring for this program because it's a part of our mission. We have a goal of promoting the next generation of scientists, researchers, really entrepreneurs and engineers. So this program was perfect for us to support the next generation of students coming down the pipeline.
Students really got a chance to learn about different tissues, how they're developed in the lab and what the implications are to help with injuries and different medical procedures. Quite frankly, students don't get an opportunity to be this hands-on in STEM careers, so by being exposed at a really young age, they can kind of help to continue that fire and continue that inspiration to pursue careers in STEM.
Make sure all of your materials are somewhere arm's length where it's comfortable for you, okay? So when I take this off, I'm gonna take it off to make sure the tip doesn't touch anything.
I think really it's important because one, it increases our visibility as a company, and we're really trying to make sure that the city of New Orleans knows that we're here. We're one of the only biotech companies in the city. And also it's very important because it gives us an opportunity to reach back to the youth and actually build those partnerships. And it gives children an opportunity, even at a young age, to be exposed to science on a higher level that they may not get just in school.
I think by me taking this course, I'm more influenced to take a biomed, maybe like a biochemistry major, something like that. I think my favorite activity was microscoping the cells. That was my first time ever seeing a cell in up close in person, and I thought it was amazing looking at the details of the cells.
My favorite activity, I think, is working under the hood. And the reason I say that is because it really gives that hands-on, and you kind of get to see how they react. You get to see people's, not only just their hands-on skills, but just their way they communicate, way they interact with others. So that's it's really up close and personal, so that's one of my favorite things to do.
You know, we have some discussions as we're walking to and from the microscope, telling them a little bit more in detail the kinds of questions we answer as a biotech company, and when then they're able to answer those questions back to us, it's priceless. It's amazing.
My hope for these kids for the future is that they find the area that they're really, really, truly interested in, that they pursue that. If it's in science, technology, engineering, or mathematics, that would be great. Even if it's not within those areas, but that they're able to apply the principles that we teach them in this program to their future endeavors.